Standard 7, Subject Science, Lesson number 16, Natural Resources, Part 5. In our previous video, we had studied about coal, national institution, mineral oil and fossil fuel. Now, we will start with natural gas. Natural gas is an important fossil fuel. It is found associated with the petroleum in underground oil wells in some places as natural gas alone. The main component of natural gas is methane, while ethane, propane and butane are present in small proportion. Natural gas is formed from the remains of organisms buried deep underground and subjected to high pressure. This fuel can be carried over a long distance by means of a gas pipeline, but in the absence of a network of pipelines, it is transformed under high pressure into a compressed natural gas, that is CNG, and liquefied natural gas, that is LNG. This makes it possible to transport the gas. Characteristics of CNG, that is compressed natural gas. It catches fire easily. No solid waste remain after combustion. Carbon dioxide and water are formed in small quantities. Other pollutants are not produced and it can be transported easily. Combustion can be controlled easily. So these are the characteristics of CNG. Liquid petroleum gas, LPG. Petroleum gas is obtained during refining of crude petroleum. Petroleum gas is transformed into a liquid by subjecting it to high pressure and reducing its volume to 1/240 of the original. It is stored in a thick-walled steel cylinder so that under pressure it remains in the liquid state. As it comes out from the storage cylinder, it is transformed back into a gas. This gas contains mainly two components, propane and butane, in the ratio 30:7. It is an odorless gas, but a small amount of a chemical called ethyl mercaptan, which has a strong characteristic odor, is added to it. This helps to detect any leakage of LPG gas immediately and thus avoiding any accident. Why is natural gas an eco-friendly fuel? The demand of fuels increased greatly due to the rapidly growing population, but the reserves of fossil fuels are limited. It is becoming difficult to meet the increased demand. The likelihood of these reserves getting exhausted is known as the energy crisis. As the reserves of fossil fuel, namely mineral oil and coal, are limited and the demand is increasing, alternative fuels are coming into use. Hydrogen, biofuel, ethanol, or wood alcohol, ethanol, or green alcohol are some of the alternative fuels. Forest resources. An extensive area of land covered by a variety of plants is called a forest. A forest is a natural habitat of plants and animals and microbes. About 30% of the total land of the world is covered by forest. Forests perform certain specific protective and productive functions. Protective functions of forest. It reduces the velocity of water flowing over the land to prevent soil erosion, to help percolation of water into the ground, to control floods, to reduce the rate of evaporation, to protect wildlife, and to maintain the balance of atmospheric gases. Thus, forests help improve and maintain the quality of the environment. In our next video, we are going to study about productive function, medicinal plants, wood, and how to conserve forest. Thank you.